lovely and happy were our little children enjoying the beauty of the nature. But now, our nature are being corrupted. Not just our nature, but also we corrupted our children. Before, we can see the beauty of the nature. Tall trees, clear water, and even a fresh air. But now, we seldom see that. We seldom experience the freshness of the air. Every time typhoons coming in our country, flash floods, soil erosion occur. But why is it happening? It is because we people forgot to nurture our nature. Illegal logging or even the deforestations are happening everywhere. And this illegal logging or deforestations are the cause of this. We have no more trees to hold the water underground. We have no more trees that helps the soil to be intact in the ground. But why we do this? But why people do this deforestations? We people do this because of money. We think for our status, the progressions of our status, but we forgot that every time we cut trees, every time we do or we have to deal with the nature and we don't care about that, every time we don't care about our nature, there are consequences. And one of these consequences are flash floods. Have you heard the news of today? The flash floods? Peoples are drowning, peoples are suffering. And this is because of what we have done to our nature. And it is not too late to fix these things. Plant trees and help to build a future. Thank you.